Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Bilal Solihin, and I'm excited to be here today. I'm a passionate storyteller specializing in crafting ancient and imaginative tales. Especially for young readers, my goal is to spark creativity, inspire curiosity, and bring joy through the power of storytelling. Whether it's struck, magical adventure, or heartwarming life lesson, I believe every story has the potential to make a lasting impact. I am always eager to learn, grow, and connect with others who share the same enthusiasm for creativity and education. Thank you for having me, and look forward to sharing more with all of you. Dim Sum and the Emperor of China. Small food with big stories. A long, long time ago in the beautiful land of China, there was a wise and keen emperor. His palace was hot. In it had sparkling garden, fruits, lush green garden, and lovely ponds. This emperor named Emperor Qianlong loved to drink tea. But he didn't just like any kind of tea, he loved it with little tasty snacks to nibble on while sipping. These snacks would be perfect to share with friends and family during long conversation. One day, the emperor had an idea. He wanted to create a special kind of food, small batch-sized treats that could be enjoyed with tea. These snacks will be so delicious and far too that no one will ever get tired of them. He wants these treats to be made in many different flavors, shapes, and sizes. And so, dim sum was born. What is dim sum? Dim sum is a Chinese word that means touch the heart. The food is small, but it has a big story behind it. It started in ancient China as a snack, but it became more than just food. It became part of Chinese culture. At first, dim sum was created to serve a tea house, place where people would go to relax and enjoy something. Imagine this, people would sit around big wooden tables, sipping tea from tiny cups, while the waiters would bring small dishes of food. These dishes were filled with all kinds of yummy surprises, dumplings, buns, rolls, and even sweets. Dim sum comes in many forms. There are dumplings filled with shrimp or pork, fluffy steamed buns filled with sweet or savory fillings, and even crispy spring rolls. Some dim sum is served on little plates, while others are served in tiny bamboo baskets. Every bit is a new adventure, with new taste and texture to explore. How did dim sum become so popular? At first, dim sum was just a simple snack, but as time went on, it grew more and more popular. People love how easy it was to eat these tiny foods while chatting with friends and family. It was long before dim sum spread all over China and then to other parts of the world. But how did it become so special? Well, it all started with the emperor's idea. Emperor Qianlong wanted to create food that would make people happy, and dim sum did just that. Soon, many tea houses across China began serving these delicious snacks. People came from far and wide to taste them, and each region started adding its own unique twist to the dishes. In the beginning, dim sum was just for the emperor and his court, but as time went on, it became a treat for everyone. People started enjoying it with friends at family gatherings or during special celebrations. Whether you are at a busy city or a quiet village, dim sum can be found in restaurants and kitchens all over the world. The fun of eating dim sum. What makes dim sum so fun is that it's not just about eating, it's about sharing and enjoying time with others. In China, dim sum is often eaten during a meal called yum cha, which means drinking tea. But yum cha is just about drinking tea, it's about eating dim sum, chatting and spending time with friends and family. At a yum cha restaurant, waiters push carts filled with bamboo baskets around the tables. Each cart is filled with different kinds of dim sum. If the cart stops at your table, you can point to the dishes you want to try. You make packed steamed buns, dumplings, or even sweet treats like egg tarts. It's like going on a little adventure, picking out new foods to try every time. Types of dim sum. Dim sum comes in so many different kinds. It's like a treasure case of unique treats. Let's take a look at some of the most popular ones. 1. Dumplings. These little pockets of dough are filled with different things like shrimp, pork, or vegetables. Some dumplings are steamed while others are fried to a golden crispy finish. 2. Stewed buns. The soft and fluffy buns are filled with all sorts of fillings. You may find them stuffed with barbecue pork, sweet bean paste, or even custard. 3. Sparing rolls. These crispy rolls are filled with vegetable or meat and are visually deep fried until they're golden brown and crunchy. Shumai. These are open to dumpling filled with cooked pork and shrimp, and they are topped with a little pinch of carrot or mushroom for extra flavor. 5. Egg tops. These sweet tarts have a golden flaky crust and a smooth egg filling inside. They are often eaten as a dessert after a yummy dim sum meal. 6. Ching's fun. These are wet silky rice noodle rolls often found with shrimp, beef or vegetable and served with a sweet soy sauce. Dim sum around the world. Although dim sum began in China, it has traveled all around the world. In many countries, you can find dim sum in restaurants, and people from different cultures have added their own ideas to the food. In places like Hong Kong, Taiwan, and even the United States, dim sum is a beloved treat. In cities with large Chinese communities, you will find dim sum served at restaurants, especially on weekends. Families and friends gather together to enjoy the food, and sometimes they even make dim sum at home. The tradition of eating dim sum has become a way for people to connect with each other and share happy moments. Food with story dim sum is not just about food, it's about history and tradition for countries. Dim sum has been a part of Chinese culture, and it continues to be enjoyed today. Whether you are in China, the United States, or anywhere else, dim sum brings people together and help create memories. So the next time you are sitting down for a meal, remember that you are not just eating tasty food, you are also enjoying a piece of history. Dim sum might have started as a small snack for the emperor, but now it's a food that the world loves. Conclusion. Dim sum is a fun and delicious way to bring people together. From this humble beginnings, it's a snack for the emperor to displays as favorite food for people everywhere. Dim sum tells a story of tradition, culture, and friendship. Whether you are sharing a meal with family or trying it for the first time at a restaurant, dim sum is a food that everyone can enjoy. And who knows, maybe one day you'll cut your dim sum inside with a slaughter. Dim sum and the future. Dim sum is so much more than just a snack. It's part of a cultural history that continues to be enjoyed by people all over the world. Even as the world changes, dim sum remains a food that brings people together, no matter where they are or what language they speak. Today, you can find dim sum not only in China, but in many other countries. In some places, restaurants serve dim sum all day, and it's even possible to find dim sum in grocery stores ready to be cooked at home. New kinds of dim sum are even being created, combining traditional flavor with modern ideas. Some chefs are making vegan dim sum, while others are experimenting with fusion flavors, mixing Chinese food with other cuisines. This means that the world of dim sum is always growing and changing. But no matter how much it changes, the heart of dim sum remains the same. It's about coming together with loved ones, sharing delicious food and creating happy memories, whether it's served in a restaurant, at home, or at a celebration. Dim sum is always a reminder from the joy that food can bring. A food for everyone. One of the best things about dim sum is that there's something for everyone. Whether you like meat, vegetable, or sweet treats, there's always a dim sum dish that will make you smile. The food is simple, but the flavors are big, and that's why people of all ages love it. Dim sum is a food that's fun to eat, delicious to share, and full of stories and tradition. So the next time you sit down to enjoy a plate of dim sum, remember, it's long a story and the people who hope and make it the food we love today. From Emperor Qianlong's royalty parties today is lively Chungcha gatherings. Dim sum has been brings people together for centuries. The end of the story. Dim sum started as a simple snack, but it has grown into a beloved tradition. It's not just food, it's a way of sharing joy, creating memories, and celebrating the people we love. Every bit of dim sum is a reminder of the magic of good food and power of sharing. Next time you visit a dim sum restaurant, try to remember the story behind each bit. Think about how dim sum began as a small snack for an emperor and grew into food enjoyed by people all around the world. And who knows, maybe you all will know new favorite dish or even create your own dim sum recipe with a story to tell for years to come. Dim sum, small food with big stories. What's your story? Thank you for your time and attention. I am thrilled to have the opportunity to share a bit both of myself and my passion for storytelling. I look forward to connecting with all of you, sharing this and perhaps even collaboration in the future. Let's create, inspire, and grow together. Once again, thank you, and I'm excited for what lies ahead. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.